You sit down to trade. You take a deep breath. You promise yourself, today I will be patient. I will wait for my setup. I will follow the plan, no matter what. You feel disciplined, almost saintly. But 5 minutes later, something shifts. Your brain starts whispering, this is too slow. And the sabotage begins. 5 minutes in, your hand reaches for your phone. Or worse, you spot a random candle move and think, this could be it. You enter a trade just to feel something, anything. The brain craves stimulation. When trading doesn't deliver it, you manufacture excitement and usually pay for it with a loss. This is not a trading discipline problem. This is a dopamine regulation problem. Your reward system has been rewired by constant high-stimulation inputs, short videos, notifications, sugar, scrolling. Trading, which is slow and low stimulation by nature, now feels unbearable. Until you fix this mismatch, consistent profitability remains impossible. Your brain's baseline is fried. It demands constant hits just to feel normal. But profitable trading requires the opposite: calm, boredom tolerance, delayed gratification. Here is the scientifically grounded cure. It is simple, uncomfortable, and it works. Let's look at the biology. Dopamine is your brain's reward chemical. Platforms like TikTok are engineered to deliver massive instant spikes. Every swipe, every like, every funny clip floods your system. Your baseline rises. Normal feels boring. Good trading is the exact opposite. It is slow. It is repetitive. It is low dopamine. Waiting for setups can take hours, days. Watching paint dry would feel more exciting. But that slowness is where the edge lives. So when you switch from high-stimulation scrolling to a quiet chart, your brain panics. It literally screams, "This is boring. Where is the excitement? Give me action." That discomfort is not weakness. It is withdrawal from overstimulation. To escape the boredom, you force a trade. Any trade. Just to buy a tiny hit of adrenaline and dopamine. You pay the market for excitement and usually lose. This is classic self-sabotage, driven by a dysregulated reward system. The only way forward is a deliberate dopamine detox. You must lower your baseline reward threshold so that normal, low-stimulation activities, like waiting for a trade setup, feel tolerable again. This is not optional. It is neurological reset. For the next 24 hours, or at minimum 1 full day, eliminate high dopamine triggers. No phone scrolling, no short videos, no music in ears, no sugary snacks, no notifications. Sit with the boredom. Feel the restlessness. Do not escape it. This is the training. Train your brain to tolerate doing nothing. Because profitable trading is 90% doing nothing. Waiting, watching, staying disciplined. If your nervous system cannot handle stillness, it will force action. And forced action in trading usually means losses. Test yourself. Can you stare at a blank wall for 10 full minutes without reaching for your phone? If yes, you can wait 10 hours for a high-probability setup. Boredom tolerance is the hidden skill of profitable traders. When your dopamine system calms down, something remarkable happens. The charts become clear. The noise fades. Patterns emerge without effort. You stop forcing trades and start seeing opportunities. Calm brain equals clear edge. Stop feeding the addiction. Start feeding your focus. Delete the apps for a day. Sit in silence. Train the brain to value stillness. This is not punishment. It is medicine for a profitable future. Scientific fact. The most consistently profitable traders are not the most excited ones. They are the most bored ones. They can sit still. They can wait. Boredom is not the enemy. It's the gateway to wealth. Get bored on purpose. Get rich as a result. Your future profitable self is waiting in the silence. See you on the other side.